Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you, for instance, don't know the pattern or combination to. So I'm gonna lock my device just so you can see I do have a pattern set, and I'm gonna progress from here as though I don't know it. So to start off, we're gonna power off our device. Once the phone is off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So press both of them at the same time and hold them. And as you can see, it will take us to recovery mode. Now, unfortunately, when I was letting go of the key, it accepted it as an input, so I need to use volume keys to scroll down and go back to where we're supposed to be, like so. So as you just seen, use volume keys to navigate up and down, and then power key is used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here, from the main menu of the recovery mode, you want to select the second option, which is wipe data, and then select wipe all data, confirm it. This will begin, it only gets like 5%, I believe, something like that, and gives you a message, data wipe successful. So press power key 1, 2, 3 times, and this will now initiate a reboot of the device and take us back to the Android operating system. Now, it will take it a little bit longer for it to boot back up. That is because it is performing the task still in the background, and once it's completed, you'll then be presented with the setup screen. Now I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is almost completed. For some reason, after it does lock the device. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and well, thanks for watching.